Time to uncover the mystery. Glacier bears, also known as blue bears, are a rare color phase of the American black bear. Found mainly in southeast Alaska and parts of western Canada, these bears stand out with their silvery blue or gray fur, often paired with darker legs and belly. The cool color? It's all thanks to a genetic mutation that changes their hair structure. These bears thrive in diverse habitats, from lush forests to rugged mountains and meadows. Like their black bear cousins, glacier bears are omnivores. Berries, roots, insects, and the occasional small mammal are on their menu. They breed in the spring but wait till late winter or early spring for the embryo to implant. And yes, they do hibernate. Females find a cozy natural cavity to give birth to their cubs. Fascinating, right? So next time you're in Alaska, keep an eye out for these rare blue wonders.